mata na, kamalit kilan. Lia! Yung anak, di ng mata oh. Magiging mata.
Oo. Lia, gusto ka mo na ng mata oy. Lia! Lia, mata na! Balik na sa eskwelahan, balik na! Lia!
Can anyone provide information about utilitarianism?
Utilitarianism is a moral theory that advocates action that maximize happiness and well-being for the majority. It's about achieving the greatest good for the greatest number, proposed by philosophers such as Jeremy Bentham and John Stuart Mill.
Excellent, Leah. It's important to note that, however, that utilitarianism has its criticism, and one of the negative sides is that it can justify actions that are morally questionable if they result in the greater good. For example, sacrificing few for the benefit of many can lead to ethical dilemmas.
Lia, are you in class? Can you answer the question? She doesn't know the answer. What a loser. God.
Lakad ako.
Ma, Pa, napauli na ko.
Pa! 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 Ma! Tabang ma! Pa! Pa! Ma! Tabang ma! Si Papa! Papa! Han! Ano naman ka, Han? Pa! Han! Ano naman ka, Han? Dali, dali, Papa. Dali. Dali, dali, ayaw ko, dali.
Dok, kumusta ang bata, Dok? So, Mrs. Santos, after performing several tests on your husband, it has been confirmed that what happened earlier isn't just any normal heart attack, but rather a heart failure, wherein his heart is unable to perform or to pump enough blood all over his body. Therefore, I'm sorry to say, but he's in critical condition and he needs an organ transplant immediately.
However, there is only one suitable organ donor available.
And unfortunately, your husband and another patient here in the hospital has the same condition. And after considering some factors and weighing some circumstances, I'm sorry to inform you, but we have decided to do the surgery on Dr. Reyes instead of your husband.
Sa Dok, dili niyo luwas na mong bana? Kinsa man mo para mo ingon na, ha? Dili! Unsa man Ginoo? Ang hapon kinsa yung basa? Ayaw mo. Ganang di ka yung pahari. Dok! Dok!
Kapag magulo.
We know that this is such a devastating news. However, you really have to make a decision based on medical ethics and for the urgency of the situation as well.
Tabangan na ko ni or dili?
Has its criticism, and one of the negative sides is that it can justify actions that are morally questionable.
Tabangan na ko
if
ni
they
or dili?
result
Wala. Sila maning.
Nalipay ng...
Hamzado? Dili niyo luwason akong bana? Isa man mo para mo ingon na ha? Dili! Unsa ko Ginoo? Ano ha?
Video man na, ibutang na lang. Kinaulian. Behind the scene. Behind the scene. Kami ni kami. Balik na po masikat na sa gito.
Ay, nasinidit mga igat.
May bloopers na tayo mga video. Yo, ay murag angko.
Naman sa may mga taros-taros ulo. Uy, Jai, para bloopers man eh, Jai. Mangul...
It's about achieving the greatest good for the greatest number. Utilitarianism is a moral theory that advocates actions that maximize happiness and well-being for the majority.